Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. We are back in our Cybertruck. We're going to be doing another product review, and this time we're going to be checking out Hanssshow's screen pivot mount for the Cybertruck. So what this swivel bracket is going to enable us to do is pivot our screen more towards us instead of being just flat. So when I am driving, I do have to like lean over here to reach and tap stuff. Even with my hand in the screen, there's a lot of glare on the screen, and you really have to reach over to see clearly what's on the screen, which can be annoying, and honestly it can be dangerous. I have driven a Model X, which does have the screen tilted more, you know, towards you, and it's a lot easier just to hit everything. So I think this will be nice. This is the kit right here. They have a couple nice looking brackets that you switch out. It comes with all the tools that you need for the entire process. And it looks pretty straightforward. This isn't going to be an installation video, by the way. They have an installation video and manual in all your kits. And there's other people that have made the same type of video, so I'm not going to make that video. It's just going to be a review video. Hansshow also gave me a discount code to give to you guys that gets you 23% off. Link will be down in the description for the mount itself and to their website. And definitely, if you guys want to check it out, use that discount code. It'll save you a good chunk of money and it helps out the channel. Let's get into this. I'm gonna get this thing installed and we're gonna drive around with it and see if it's good or not. All right, guys, we got our Hansshow screen pivot mount installed on our Cybertruck, and this is our first drive with it, and it's pretty nice. A couple things. We'll go with the installation first. Installation was easy. It took about an hour for me to do, looking off their video. Their tutorial does a good job on showing you how to install the bracket, and it's definitely not hard. Hooking up their digital rear view mirror was much harder than putting on this bracket. There were a couple concerns about it that I had initially before I installed it, but those have been laid to rest. A little worried that the pivoting bracket wouldn't be very stiff, so if I take turns really hard, it would move. But it's pretty sturdy. It takes a good amount of force to move the screen around, so that's good. It's very sturdy. It's definitely not going to go anywhere. As far as the hardware goes, the new covers in the whole bracket looks OEM. It looks like it was made for the truck. You can see the one extension wire that they included in their kit to give, you know, the wire more play if you're pivoting the screen back and forth. You can see that wire, but other than that, there's nothing visible. So this is a lot easier to see everything, and in my opinion, that makes the truck safer. This is basically where the screen used to be, and we'll just tilt it like that. That's so much better. 10 out of 10. All right, guys, so that is my review of the Hansshow Cybertruck screen pivoting mount. Again, if you guys want to check out this screen pivoting mount, I'll put the link down in the description. Don't forget to use the discount code. It'll save you almost 40 bucks on the mount. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.